Beautiful property, renovated, and this property, anything that you see inside, all the furniture, as you see it, everything is included. Good morning, we're in Midstream Estate. This early morning, we're ready to view a full title cluster home in Midstream Estate, located very close to the main gate. So a beautiful place, nicely done, spacious, 4 bedrooms, double volume, nice little garden, private garden, double garage, and beautiful kitchen. It's a must-see for only 4,675,000. As I mentioned, furniture is included from the front door all the way through to the back door. Everything that you see is part of this sale. There is transfer duties on this property, so it is brand newly renovated, but transfer duties apply. So it is not from a developer. It's an old pre-owned house that's been nicely redone. As you come in at the front door entrance, on the right hand side you got your first guest bathroom with a bedroom, nicely done, open plan. Look at all those beautiful finishes, something that you don't often see in the old Midstream, the existing first development of the estate. Even the window frames, it's wooden frames but nicely maintained, painted this white color, and just a beautiful finished touch. On this side you got a private lounge, enough space just to sit and relax with this. Finishes on the side, like I said, mirrors, chandeliers, everything you see, even the flooring, everything just flow and complement each other. Coming straight into the dining room. From the dining, more informal TV room, sitting, whatever you want to use it, or play around with the configuration. That will assist and make it easy for you to play around and with the 3 living areas like this. From this living area we can also go straight onto the kitchen, scullery area that I will show you now. This is the northern side of the property, so you all get the natural light coming in, sunlight. New kitchen with Caesar stone tops, gas plates, DeFi gas plates, under counter gas, electrical oven, space here for your microwave and all the other smaller appliances that you can hide, maybe a toaster or something that you don't want to be in your face, and enough cupboard space and all this beautiful drawers. Again, nicely done. Like a pantry cupboard, a bit deeper in on the side. Space here for your double door fridge. Look at this beautiful light here. Then on this side we've got a scullery. Space for 1, 2 and 3 appliances. Double zinc. Also a bit different from the usual. Everything new touch. As we go out here is your double garage. So your garage is not direct interleading to the house. You've got a little bit of a awning here. So you might find a few raindrops when it's busy raining. In your kitchen, coming back to this side, space for a little breakfast nook. That also makes it ideal. Let me show you the outside patio. Nice slider doors opening up. An open patio with a built-in braai. A low maintenance garden. As you can see, there's no grass. If you want to install grass, nobody stops you. That is a personal thing if you want to do that, but still, this is like a lock up and go, easy, maintainable, and you can still change it, but it's as beautiful as it is. Some people like bomas, so this area is ideal for a boma. And on the side here we still have an outside toilet and a basin. If you got maybe people visiting or workers that want to quickly use the bathroom and the house is maybe locked inside, then they can utilize the outside toilet as well. You'll notice there is irrigation in the garden, so that's why I'm saying if you want to change it and put some lawn, you're welcome to do, but the ideal here is easy lock up and go and low maintenance. On this side of the property we can just go all around, and then we're back at the scullery door. So also nicely been done on this side. Your gas bottle that's legally connected with your gas cage, anything in place for your kitchen, so that helps a lot. And then you got a little garden gate coming in from the one side as well. And we're back here at the garage. Let's go, we're back in the scullery. On this side, as we're coming into the main entrance, turning towards the kitchen, we got a guest toilet on this side as well. So to summarize, downstairs we got a guest room on that side. This lovely entrance. Coming in on the right hand side, a living area, a second living area, and a third living area on that side. Kitchen behind you, and then direct onto the patio with the braai and that low maintenance garden. Let's go upstairs. A little private reception area on top. On this side, enclosed study with a southern window. Private, that you can sit and work, close the doors, and enough space to do the basic work from home. Looking here at your second bathroom, two little basins, quality taps, and all the nice finishes, even the tiles and the finishes that you see here. It's just something different that you don't see every day. And a nice beautiful blue standing bath with a hand shower inside. This bathroom is then for this bedroom and this bedroom. Let's look at the two bedrooms. All the natural light. Look at the size of this room, the size on those two little cupboards on the side. It gives you the idea on, or the feeling, there is definitely enough space. And if you want to move from the stuff and said it's too much for you in one room, remember, each and every person utilize the space how they want to utilize. Some people want to have the minimum in a room. Some people like to have a lot of decoration. But remember, as I said, everything you see, even all the smaller stuff on the walls, curtains, beds, everything you see is included in this sale for 4,675,000 rand plus transfer duties. The second bedroom coming in here, own door leading out onto the patio. So you got your own little patio door here. Space, anything you need here with your built-in cupboards on this side. Everything nicely done. Clinical look and feel. So on this side, study, bathroom for these 2 bedrooms. Let's look at the main. Your linen cupboard. It's compulsory. Most houses need this. It's compulsory. Looking at this main bedroom's bathroom, nicely finished. Similar, look exactly the same theme that they used in the other bathrooms. Same basin, same taps, same cupboards, same tiles, loose standing bath with the hand shower fitted. And looking at this shower, enough space with a shower head from the top. My suggestion is to do some frameless showers here, or just on the one side like a walk-in shower. This is definitely more space than a standard bedroom for this size home. Your own walk-in cupboard on this side, lots of cupboard space, makes it ideal. I know the ladies always want more space, but the set of cupboards on this side and this whole row on this side, plus extra drawers here. You've got an air conditioning that's fitted here. Northern windows on my back side with all the natural sunlight coming in here, and this bedroom and the bedroom next door share this balcony on this side. And standing out here early morning, you can experience this nice, quiet, peaceful atmosphere. Thinking by yourself, sitting here with a cup of coffee, just relaxing and enjoy this quiet, peaceful moment outside on this balcony. Now let's summarize this property. It's a total of 4 bedrooms, 1 downstairs, 3 upstairs. The 2 on this side share a bathroom, your main ensuite with a study room, and then a guest toilet downstairs, an open plan living area that consists of 3 living, a double garage and an outside toilet, and a low maintenance garden, ideal for easy lock up and go, for only 4,675,000 rand in Midstream Estate, close to the main gate in Midstream.